Previously on Wandering Wagners.
We got Piper. She's still a little sedated, woozy.
We're gonna go for a run to celebrate because Holly is officially a Wagner.
Looks like we got two drivers today, both at the wheel. Mike had to go make a quick little pit stop to grab a couple of things. We'll be on our way to the campground.
That's right, I said the campground. We are finally going camping. It's been months since summer, basically. We have done 2 trips, but they weren't camping trips. They were more for like work and stuff. So, I mean, it is what it is, but this is an actual camping trip and we can't wait. We actually feel like we might be forgetting a bunch of stuff because it feels like it's been forever.
We're giving them some Ready Whip because it's Thanksgiving. Gotta give you something to be thankful for. Oh yeah, we being bad by getting the extra creamy.
Delicious. It's the off-brand.
It's Meyer. It's good stuff though. Oh, now Holly's about it. This is the only time she's ever had it. First time. She's just gonna let it hit the carpet.
Pipe. Pipe, come over here. Pipe.
Come here, get it. Oh, she caught it last time. Oh well.
Lick it off the floor.
Yep. One more for the road.
Sometimes Meyer hits a home run with their stuff, like the
Ready Whip stuff.
Yeah, the Ready Whip. And we got their off-brand scoop chips, the dippers. Look at this, unopened bag. And it's like only filled.
Not even, you can even see it. It's not even filled to the top of the window. Like, I get it. Like, it's like shrinkflation or something is what they call it.
They are delicious, and they are cheaper than the
Tostitos.
Scoops.
Yeah, I do like the Meyer brand chips better.
But why? Why with this bag? Oh, it settles during shipping. Yeah, that much.
That's way too much air in that bag, right, Holly? Do not approve.
She got air in her head.
Aww.
Pretty beautiful, cool, blustery morning here at Buren State Park in Van Buren, Ohio. We actually spent last Thanksgiving here, so we're trying to give it another little try for that, since last year, if you don't remember, our fridge died and we lost all of the food I cooked for Thanksgiving. The fridge all day yesterday was turning off for no reason. Now I gotta make a trip to this dumpster to throw away another load of food because the Dometic 12-volt refrigerator is a hunk of crap. So we're gonna try to remedy that situation since we have a new fridge this year. Currently, I wanna say, I think it said 25 degrees. Feels like 15. So it's definitely feeling like winter right about now. Nice and cozy warm inside the Wraith though. There's a couple other campers here besides us. One of them you might recognize. We haven't seen the Fitches since it's probably been at least 6 months, just because our schedules have just been super crazy. So it's been nice to see them again and have the dogs. Get to see him because Piper loves Dave so much. I'm gonna walk the trash down, kind of enjoy this beautiful morning.
Did have a little bit of little flurries yesterday and last night, so we got a little, not even a dusting, but it is pretty to look at.
Today I'm going to be doing all of my cooking and baking. Well, I did bake a little bit yesterday, but I didn't put it on video. But today it's definitely going to be a busy day. It's going to smell delicious inside the Wraith pretty much all day long.
Ow, bites. Are you crazy? You talking back? Piper's coming to save me. It's not going to help, Pipe. Gosh.
Everyone thinks Holly's such a sweet little thing. What you got there?
Got the old.
It's a different bottle. Still hits the same.
It's more fun.
We just went on our run.
Time to hydrate.
Yep, gotta rehydrate. We took Holly out for just a little jaunt around the circle, and man, I might have to take her back out there and say, run, run, Holly, you crazy girl.
Ouch! No, you're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. You're crazy. Crazy, crazy.
Got my little turkey breast here. It's basically a small turkey with no legs, wings. Got my bag here ready to go. My butter and seasoning that I'm gonna rub all over it. Convection is set at 350. Got my bread getting all nice and stale for my stuffing. Or I guess it would be dressing since I'm not gonna stuff the turkey. But Holly has finally calmed down. Let's get to it. "99 minutes. And then I'm gonna flip it and do that again. And probably a little bit more because it's gotta be in there for like 3 hours.
Flip it. Smack it.
Well,
Down.
I'll make sure it's nice and basted. Turkey is in the oven, which means I've got a lot of other cooking to do. But I got me a beverage to help get me through it. Might go for a hike. Might not. Haven't really decided yet. Oh yeah. She done. Oh yeah. Made a little bit of gravy. The stuffing is ready. And the potatoes are in there for another 15 or well, I guess 12 minutes now. I'm gonna carve this bad boy up. We're gonna take it over to the Fitches and eat over there. All the num-nums. Oh yeah. It's a mighty nice fire you got there, Mikey.
Yeah. I built it big. Mike's got 2 words for you. Not me, Mike.
Oh.
2 words for you.
Wait, what are the 2 words?
Suck it.
Oh.
God, didn't you watch wrestling in the 90s?
No.
Damn. Gonna go for a walk? Or a nap? Or a car ride? Or we get treats?
You're getting this one all riled up. She said, I would take your string.
Stop.
I would take your string. All right, I guess we'll get dressed, start doing some being bums.
Yep.
Oh, there's Andrea and Wade. Good girl, Holly, go potty. Got Piper. We're gonna see how she's gonna do today. Make sure she's not gonna pull too hard. Piper's like, what's the holdup? Not a bad hike so far. Trying to stay out of the wind. So far so good up here in the trees. Come on, Holly. Holly's doing great. Piper's doing great. For the most part, no issues. Yeah, it's just in the bag still, concrete. That's how you make a bank here, I guess. Oh, I have to turn around. Can you do it, Pipey? Not you, Holly. She did this big old leap for nothing. Oh! Good job, Wade. Good job, Andrea.
No. Yeah, slowly. Yep, went around.
That's the biggest one, girl.
Piper wants to go. Oh my god. I guess I'm going. Oh, wait. You're going around the
Yeah,
side.
because she got scared because everyone came up there.
There we go. Yeah, good girl, Pipey. Get her on the teeter-totter.
Good girl. Here, wait, stay up there. Oh, this one, they're both like, nope.
Yep. A lot of nope. There you go, Pipe. Good girl, Pipe.
Good girl. This one doesn't teeter-totter at the end.
Boulder Canyon.
Yeah, that's good practice for tricky runs like this. Tasmanian doesn't want to leave.
I heard something going on back there.
He's so weird. I guess like 3.5 miles is it?
Not enough. He did this for like 10 minutes before you guys even came out. Come on, dude.
Not staring at me.
Go, Pipe. What do you think, Holly? There we go. Take a piss. It's been snowing. It is cold.